the power to the camera and the wire to the rear camera tucks in behind this cover. This cover is easy to pop off. Move it off, you can stick the wires behind it and then pop the cover back on. These wires are able to tuck into the headliner easily, just like that, all flush. Now to get this guy off, you first want to peel away the weather stripping. Not that hard at all, just give it like a little yank right here, and then it slowly comes apart right here. With this off, you're able to pop this out. You don't want to take this off fully. If you do, then you will have to replace the clips inside. So what I'm doing is I'm just pulling it apart ever so slightly so I can slip the wires behind it. Here's how it looked tucked in. What I did for the pillar is I just gave it a little whack and it snapped right back in. Now I just have to tuck the wires into this little crevice here and put the weather stripping and connect the power down to the fuse box. This next part was a little tricky for me, but I just had my trim puller, stuck it right here, wedged it right here, and pulled this out a little bit, and then slowly worked my way down to get this little piece off right here. Now you actually don't really need to take off this piece right here to do the hard wire for the dash cam, but I wanted to find a good bolt for the ground, so that's why I wanted to take the panel off. Alright, I got the wires tucked in up above, back down to here. I got that ground wire bolted in right there. So I got the dash cam powered by the power outlet fuse. Right there at the top right, this red wire is going to it. Kind of hard to see in the dark, but let me get this light right here. There you go. So that's where it is. All in all, it's actually pretty simple, more simple than I thought. Panels were pretty easy to remove in this Kona compared to other cars I've worked on. So just pop this cover back on and we're good to go. Perfect. If I turn off the car, the camera should go off. Here you go.